What's up guys, Michael here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a donation and donation alert using StreamLabs for your Twitch live stream. Now I'm actually live right now for the purposes of this tutorial, so I'm going to get right into it. So first thing you're going to need to do is obviously go to StreamLabs.com, link your Twitch. That's pretty self-explanatory. Once you get in, go down to alert box. And this has a link right here where you want to copy that and paste it into your OBS, or if you're using XSplit, I'm sure it's pretty much the same thing. I believe now when you download OBS, it's automatically included this CLR browser. But if it's not, do a Google search for CLR browser plugin, and you'll have to install that if your version doesn't have that. But all you have to do, and I already have this set up right here, it's called Twitch Alerts, but like I said, purpose of the video, I'm going to start a new one. So we are going to add a CLR browser. We'll put Twitch Alerts 2. Okay, cool. And paste that into the URL, what we copied earlier. Alright, cool. Now let's edit the scene. And this is it right here. That's your Twitch alerts. So we'll put that right there in the middle of the screen just for, purpose of the video. And to make sure that we have it set up, there's actually these cool things that allow you to test it to make sure it works. So I'm going to pull this on my other monitor just so we can see if it works. I'm going to hit test donation now. There it is. Slave 3D donated $4. Now this will pop up on my live stream obviously as well. In fact, it probably, the stream's a little delayed, but so that's how you set that up, set the alert up, and make sure, and ensure that it's working correctly. So, but that's not all. If you want to set up donations, you can go to donation settings, I believe. Yes, donation settings right here. And here is where you'll link your PayPal account. Make sure you link your PayPal account. If you don't, then obviously you're not going to have any way to get any donations. Pretty simple, right? Then you can go to donation goal. And here my girlfriend and I have a dual stream set up, and I'm raising money for a gaming monitor for her right now. So that's what we're using. And all you have to do is set that up. Obviously we already have ours set up, but you can go to donation goal, and like I would have to end mine to set up a new one. I'm not going to do that, but right here is where you would set up your goal and edit it to your liking however you'd like. And when someone donates to you, it pops up an alert on your stream. And yeah, oh, and the donation goal widget. This thing also, you want to copy this, and you use this to CLR browser source plugin, and this will show your viewers on stream what your donation goal is. I already have this set up right there. For some reason I have to take it off and back on to get it to pop up during my streams. I'm not sure if that's a bug in OBS or what, but that's what we have to do. But again, like the way that you add that, you just right click, add CLR browser. We'll put donation alert 2 or whatever. I'm just naming it random crap. We're going to paste that link we copied right there, and then there it is. So obviously I don't actually need that, so we're going to delete that. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to delete Twitch alerts too, because we already have this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's everything that you need to set up the donation alert, to set it up to where you can receive donations, etc., etc. So, if this video helped you guys out, drop me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to our channel, and come hang out with us, twitch.tv/slave3d. We're a pretty good time. We'll see you.